What's up, guys? So with all the trucks on the channel, it's pretty easy to get behind on maintenance. Typically more so time rather than mileage, with a few exempt from that. But I figured we'd go ahead and have fun with it. So every day this week, we're going to be posting a new video with a new truck, and we're going to do a little play off of words with Cletus's month of freedom. We're instead going to be doing the extreme low budget version of that, week of maintenance. So, yeah, a lot of oil has been purchased, that is for sure. But obviously, we're going to go ahead and start this series off with Chomper. So first things first, let's crank this thing up. Let her get warm. Now that we got her warmed up, we're going to go ahead and shut it down. Pop our hood. Well, this is a 5.3, so anything 99 to 07. It's going to be this exact procedure. We'll go ahead and pull our dipstick up, let it breathe, and our caps on this side as well. Let's go ahead and pop this out. Now we can go down below with a 15 mil and drain our hot old oil. All right, 15 mil, let's crack this drain plug free. Ooh. That went a lot farther than I was expecting. Let's see about our magnet. Just a wee bit of debris, nothing thick, just little baby fibers. Let that drain and then we'll get after this oil filter. Don't mind the leaky leak. This is a race truck, okay? You're gonna have some big leaks, okay? Just, as long as you keep oil in it, she's just fine. Good old Mobil 1 oil and filter coming off and out, and Mobil 1 going back in. While that drains, let's go ahead and prep our new filter. Now, some might argue, but there is legitimately no reason why you shouldn't pre-fill your oil filter, especially one that is straight up and down. Go ahead and fill that baby up pretty good, and then just put oil on your seal so it can properly seal. And we're going to be using the Mobil 1 Extended Performance 5W30 full synthetic with the Mobil 1 oil filter. Now, before you put everything back on, just go in here and wipe it down. Make sure your old seal didn't stay stuck on your engine. So that's always a bad time if that were to happen. Yeah, oh gosh, yeah, there ain't no leaks on this truck. It's all good. Chomper is tried and true. I ain't worried about it. As always, no need to go crazy tight. Just a nice hand-tight, snug fit. It's a little difficult with gloves and oil on them, but no need to go crazy. That's plenty. Cleaned our drain plug. Pop that guy back in. Go. Let's go topside. Now, the capacity on the 5.3s is about 6 quarts, but it could be a little less than that depending on how much you actually got out. So we're going to go ahead and throw this full 5-quart jug in there. Check the dipstick. That liquid gold, baby. Drink up, Chomper. Let that sit for a minute. And it is about 3/4 of the way up. So we'll go ahead and crank it up, let it idle for a little bit, let her sit, and then we'll recheck. And if you crank your truck and that guy right there don't move, you did something wrong. Please, Lord, chopper, go. There we are. Beautiful. Now, while she's sitting for a minute, we'll go ahead and check our other maintenance items. So our airbox lid is very dirty, but you can see the filter itself starting to accumulate a little bit of dust, but nothing bad. We'll leave that alone. Let's go over here. She is right at the max line. Check our power steering. She is right at the full, so that is perfect. And then we'll go ahead and check our transmission fluid as well. Trans fluid's looking good, still nice and red. No telling when that was ever changed, if ever. The old 4L60 still rocking at 100 and, what are we at, 175, 179,000 miles. See how our oil settled. Oh. Yep, she is down at the bottom dot, so we definitely want to add a little bit more. It's probably going to end up taking that full other quart. Now, because we are parked up on a slope, we probably did get every bit of the oil out for the majority. So if yours is on flat ground or raked ground, might not take the full capacity, but Chomper definitely is. Well, right there at the second dot down, exactly where we want it. Now that we know all of our fluids are good, let's go ahead and take this thing for a rip. Hadn't driven Chomper in like a week or two, which is sad because I love driving this truck. $171,000 miles, excuse me. Chomper, I thought you were higher. Time for our mandatory romp per this series requirement. Let's see what Chomper's got. Woo! 6,600 RPMs. All right, we gotta chill. Yes, sir. Let's go, Chomper. Talk your talk. All right, guys, well, there she is, episode number 1 of our week of maintenance videos. Had to start off with Chomper. This thing absolutely rips and sounds glorious, like always. And now she's got some fresh oil in there, and we've put eyes on all of our other fluids to ensure that those are good as well. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed. Drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification, and I'll see y'all boys in tomorrow's video.